In this video, I have been finally able to solve the problem of Roblox not detecting in OBS. So for some people, Roblox is not detecting in OBS when you try to add source like this. So stick around till the end of the video to find out how I did this. So without further ado, let's get started. Since you weren't able to capture a specific window, by the way, this is the option to capture a specific window. You have to select this window capture. But for most people, you won't be able to do it in Roblox because it was downloaded from Windows App Store. And even if you did download from Roblox official website, you won't be able to capture it if you don't follow the certain settings. So first of all, you need Windows App Store. You will never be able to do that no matter how much setting you applied. So first open first open Microsoft Windows Store and uninstall Roblox from there. And go to this website roblox.com/download. I will show you how it will look like. It will show you download the Windows app. Just click and download and install it. After that, you have to do these certain settings. Click on this. Since I already have this working, I will show you how to do step by step so that you can get open. And let's say you have to select Windows Capture. I am going to name it Roblox 2 since Roblox 1 is already added. Okay. Now you will have to select Windows to capture. Make sure your game is already running. So here it is, Roblox Beta EXE. First you will see white screen like this, but you have to do this. Capture, select method Windows 10, this and this one. And in this, select Windows title must match. Otherwise it will switch to some other Windows. And then click OK. This way you will be able to add Roblox in Windows Capture. It won't show rest of your screen while you are using single PC setup. So you can do, for example, such as browse Discord or open any other website and your screen won't be visible and only Roblox window will be visible. Just make sure to disable your screen capture. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And I wish you good best of luck in your Roblox streaming journey.